Hey, what is up, guys? I know I only have 34 subscribers, so thank you for all that. And I know I'm posting a while, but today we're going to be showing you guys the watermelon challenge. You know, we're going to put big ass rubber bands over a huge watermelon, hopefully with the head to explode and not take too long. And you know, my name's Zubair, I'm Zubi Duber Productions, and let's get this shit started. Hey. Alright, so guys, I'm going to give you guys some background information about myself. You know, my name is Zubair, I attend high school, I'm 17, you know. I have a partner, his name's Tyler. You know, he's a little lazy right now, he's being a little bitch, and he won't film with me right now. You know, I like Tyler, he sees eye to eye to me, we have the same goals in life. And you know, we're just trying to do what we can, do what we do for fun. And hopefully we can reach a goal of 100 subscribers by, you know, the end of August, and by school starts, which is like 20 days. So we're gonna be filming a lot lately. And you know, hopefully one day maybe we can reach 1 million. You know, you guys could probably be like, you know, the best game on YouTube, like FoozyTube says. And I hope you guys enjoy. Share, like, subscribe, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
One hour later.
Alright, it's good. Chill out. Right? It just started leaking a little. This nigga's tired, he's sweating, bro.
Chill, bro.
Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh shit. No, turn it.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
I'm about to explode.
Nah, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, we didn't get a big explosion though.
What a fail.
Down. Rob. Touch it. Go touch it. Watch the whole explode.
I feel like Tyler right now.
As soon as I pull the camera too. I mean, it wasn't an explosion, but
Some good shit, bro.
we wasted this.
How you want me to throw it?
Just throw it. The whole exploded. Hey bro, it winded all up.
All this fucking hard work.
It's your workout for the day, bro. Alright guys, that's a wrap. It didn't really do much, it just cracked. So, we'll see you guys in a little while. Thanks for watching, please share and subscribe. This thing is Arish. Be a part of Zooby Doo Productions. Thank you guys.